As we all know, COVID-19 has closed all schools in Pennsylvania, but this doesn't stop Landisville Middle School and Centerville Middle School from doing a tradition they've been doing for years. And that tradition is the Student of the Quarter Assembly.
To describe our Student of the Quarter assemblies, we hold them 4 times a year at the end of each quarter, and we use them to recognize students for a number of great things and accomplishments. Those students are selected based on their demonstration of being safe, responsible, respectful, and engaged in their learning, which are our 4 core values at LMS.
Selection as Student of the Quarter is one of the highest honors that can be attributed to a student during the school year. 2 to 3 students from each team are chosen for this significant distinction.
Since no one was in school, the teachers and staff put on a virtual assembly to show the students their merit has not gone unnoticed.
Well, we felt it was important for us to continue to recognize the good works of our students, even in the virtual environment.
Team leaders and teachers created videos while home during the coronavirus pandemic.
We had many teachers record themselves for the first time, pre-record their celebrations. They sent them to me. And then we combined all those videos together into one movie, and we posted it to YouTube.
Looks like these schools won't let a virus stop them from recognizing students who deserve this honor. And for Hempfield Happenings, I'm Gunnar Main.